Hey guys, it's Pure Venom here bringing you another video. So like I said, I was going to be getting the Surface Earbuds and also doing the unboxing and then also going to be doing the full review. Full review should be out hopefully either Saturday or Sunday of this week, and it's May, so it's May 13th or 14th right now. So we'll see those shortly. With the Microsoft earbuds, it's Microsoft's first attempt at a true wireless bud. Personally, I feel they're actually pretty solid. I've been playing around with them. So if we actually open up the box, very simple, nothing crazy. Adorable little packaging. The buds are just right inside here. I have them fully charged up. Also, the hinge, definitely very nice. One of the fun things is it's spring-loaded, so it will open up. And then from there, we just go to the bottom of the box. So you scan this little barcode here. This is for the Surface Audio app. If you would like, I do have a video already out on it. I'll put it in the description down below. So we take this, and then it pretty much gives you the full detail of the personalized fit. So there are 3 different sizes. You get small, medium is what comes default on these. I found medium for me is perfect, and then also large. So if you take a look here, the way that these work is you pretty much go in a downwards angle and then twist up, and that's how they securely get fit. And of course, double tap for play and pause for music and answering and ending phone calls. And then holding will get you the gesture for the actual Google Assistant. Swiping up and down or for volume, very intuitive. I actually like that personally. And then swiping left and back on the left ear, of course, would be next song or previous song. And then also how to connect them. There's a little button down here, down below. Hopefully you guys can see that. You press and hold for 5 seconds like it says, and then it will automatically pair. But outside of that, that's what you get for your little key card. You get your nice USB-C cable, so it's USB-C on one end, full-size USB on the other. Your earbuds, and then of course, just a little bit of more information on all of the buds. So you get your, we'll go over it. You get your USB-C port on the back, pairing button at the bottom. You open the lid, you have your earbuds right here. So as you can see, nothing has changed from before. Also, you do get your indicating light here that says for charging. One downside to these, if you close that lid, there's no way to know if it's charging or what's the status of the charge. I found that you have to leave these open while you're charging them, and then it tells you when the battery's full in this. Now, of course, the buds do get 24 hours worth of battery. Exactly how much you get. Currently right now, I've packed in about 4 hours on the buds. They were right around like 75, 60%. So I'm expecting probably ball figure 6 hours, 8 hours roughly. I know Microsoft has documentation on it, of course. And then from there, like even in the charging thing here, they even tell you that you need to leave this open just to show for charging capabilities. And then of course you do get your Spotify. That's 3 taps on the right ear cup. So that's just something to let you all you Spotify owners know. And then of course you have your other documentation. That's all going to be your warranty information, and then the legal liability that Microsoft doesn't care if you blow your eardrums out. They do have a safety feature built into them, of course, to let you know that you are at a certain resolution, or I should say a certain volume. Personally, I've been finding that the 60% is where I will typically leave them at. But that's pretty much the Surface Earbuds, guys. I mean, there's not much to them. Of course, it's just a simple unboxing. I know a lot of people wanted to know exactly what came in the box. And of course, during the actual review, I will, sorry for the shaking, I'm actually sitting behind it, bumped into the tripod. I'll actually be giving video evidence of like what they look like in your ears. Personally, I feel that they're actually more comfortable than, I would say, these guys here. Now, I have two other true wireless buds. So I've got the Jaybird Vistas. These are typically my workout buds. They work well, they perform well, I really do like them. And then the other one is the Galaxy Buds. Now the Galaxy Buds do have one thing that the Surface and the Jaybirds do not have, and that would be mainly wireless charging. And then also this awesome little bug that I found in these, they actually have a battery drain when they just sit in the case for a long period of time. But that's the Surface Buds in a nutshell. If you guys have questions or comments below, please feel free. Like and subscribe like I always recommend, because it does help me out. It does help keep bringing content to the channel. I do appreciate all the viewers and also all the comments on the recent videos. I do the best I can, so hopefully I get to see you guys in the future. Later.